treasurer.
Welcome back to News Now. It is flu season on island. According to the Department of Public Health and Social Services, there's been a spike in the number of people catching the flu. And during the last several weeks, most of those cases were seen in schools. PNC's Rosel Romanes has more in this report.
My name is Regina Balahaja. I am a 5th grade teacher at Machinano Elementary School. And just for the month of October, I have had about 7 students out because of the flu.
Rob Millay from the Department of Education says attendance numbers have declined during the flu season, but it's nothing too alarming. Same goes with Santa Barbara Catholic School, which has a student body of about 400 from pre-K to 8th grade. Their health counselor tells us that the flu season didn't really hit them, as more students caught the flu in the first month of this school year than in September and October combined.
During the first few days of the school, we already sent out communication to parents. It's like a report to parents on the flu season, how they take good care of their kids, and it was really good because this will really give them specifics on how to prevent it, how their child will be protected, and also on our end in school, we teach the kids how to wash their hands, okay, and how to cover their mouth and nose.
Sinahaña resident Christina Cruz tells us how she feels about the flu season as a mother of 4.
About flu season? Yeah. It sucks. I want it to go away. I don't like the kids being sick. I'd rather be the one being sick.
Christina says 2 of her children caught the flu and gives this suggestion to the kids.
I would like to say for all the kids to stay out of the rain. It's not good for you. You get sick. And I know your parents wouldn't like to see you suffer.
Flu symptoms include cough, sore throat, fever, and body aches. Protect yourselves and your loved ones from catching it. The Department of Public Health and Social Services gives us these flu prevention tips.
Get vaccinated, stop the spread of the flu. If you're sick or if someone is sick, to distance yourself from that individual and then to take your medication as directed by your doctor.
Rosel Romanes, PNC News.
The Department of Public Health may not be equipped to screen for Ebola, but Director James Gillen says funding is on the way to expand their lab into a first-class facility. On the Patty Arroyo Show this morning, Gillen confirmed that there are some officials from Centers for Disease Control on island, along with other officials from the Office of Economic Adjustment. Gillen denies rumors that Public Health is in trouble. He says the officials are here on a scheduled visit to assess Public Health's laboratory, which is a requirement in order for them to receive some $13 million in federal funding to expand their current lab.
But what they're here for first is to help us develop a business plan, because there will be no money released for the lab until we have demonstrated that we can maintain, operate, and sustain the laboratory.
Are you currently able to do that?
We can do certain things. You know, we had a hearing yesterday with Senator San Nicolas, and he asked us if we had the capability of testing for Ebola virus. We don't.
Gillen explains it'll take about 8 months to develop the business plan. If approved, then the lab could be built within 2 years.
The CCU approved a lowering of power rates. CCU Chairman Simon Sanchez says that the lower rates will take effect on November 1st, even without official action from the Public Utilities Commission. The PUC is responsible for approving any rate changes, but Sanchez says that the PUC will approve their rate reduction, but they aren't meeting this month. The PUC is not scheduled to meet until December, but Sanchez says he has already spoken to PUC members and they are aware of the rate reduction.
They weren't scheduled to meet till December. Well, we didn't want to wait till December when it's such a big and obvious reduction. We can do it now. And so we did, and we'll go ahead and lower the bills now on the expectation that the PUC will approve our request and ratify it in their December meeting.
Beginning November 1st, there will be a 10% reduction in your power bill, and I don't know about you, Clint, but I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, definitely good news. I can't wait for the power bills to go down. But while we wait for the power bills to go down, let's check in with Rebecca Kim.
Hey, it was not so sunny today, but at least it was cool at night. Let's enjoy what we have. Welcome to PNC's weather forecast. I'm Rebecca Kim. It will rain until tomorrow night as the circulation is moving west and south of Guam. And to make it even worse, it will also drag a low pressure disturbance on its way. The temperature goes down to about 2 to 3 degrees, so please prepare an extra jacket. And it doesn't hurt to set your air conditioner's temperature a little higher on days like this. Not only does it save your power bill, but also you wouldn't catch cold. Detailed weather coming up.